Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your WordPress theme responsive. A responsive website is crucial today, as visitors access content on countless devices, from large desktop monitors to small smartphones. Ensuring your site looks great and functions perfectly on every screen size significantly enhances user experience. This also positively impacts your search engine optimization, helping more people discover your content. At the heart of responsive design are three core principles. First, a flexible grid system allows your content to rearrange itself smoothly across different screen widths. Second, fluid images and media automatically resize, preventing horizontal scrolling and ensuring visual appeal. Finally, CSS media queries are essential. They let you apply specific styles, like font sizes or column layouts for various device breakpoints. To implement responsive design, start by selecting a WordPress theme or framework that is inherently responsive. Many modern themes are built with this in mind. Next, you will use CSS media queries to define specific breakpoints, perhaps at 768 pixels for tablets and 480 pixels for phones. Always test your theme extensively on real devices and emulators to ensure flawless performance. For effective responsive development, leverage browser developer tools to inspect elements and debug layouts across different viewports. Adopting a mobile-first approach, designing for the smallest screens first, often leads to better performance and a cleaner code base. Remember to regularly update your WordPress theme and all plugins. This ensures continued compatibility, security, and optimal responsiveness for your website visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.